I'm Adam, Head of Research and Development at AIROTEC, a Polish software producer. With our exhibition here at Airport Show, we've presented two major products. One is a meteorological solution, the AVOS, Automated Weather Observing System, dedicated for any size of the airport, coming from the heliports, the small regional airports, and for the communication airport, multi-hub airports. So this is a web-based solution that is either cloud computed or for standalone servers dedicated. We are a software company, so the software solution is completely independent from the sensor manufacturers, which is pretty important. We are able to integrate any kind of airport dedicated sensors to our AVOS system. The solution is web-based, so we are accessing the AVOS, the person who's using the solution is accessing it via web browser. It is also possible to have live data accessible from the tablet as well. This is a high-level availability solution. This is a full IKO WMO solution, as I mentioned, dedicated for every size of the airport. The other product that we have is our also self-developed software-based solution for inspection of the visual aids, so the airport lightnings at the airport, which contains the puppy light calibration, fully complied with the IKO 9157, and also it includes the runway and approach lights, especially the center line, the edge lights, but also we include the taxiway. The solution is a drone-based, so we use a drone which do the autonomous mission. We gather the material, or the materials can be gathered by any operator. With, of course, the specified requirements for the material and for the drone. And our solution performed the calculation, and we are able to provide the report with the fully flight inspection of the visual aids content included. The solution is also as a SaaS, so it is a web-based. It is a solution that we can provide either by a fixed price solution or as a subscription service. I think that's all what we can tell about our key products here at Airport Show 2023.